You searched how to buy shares of Bayfirst Financial Corp. Bayfirst Financial Corp is a regional financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BAFN. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search to find the company by name or ticker, enter BAFN, and locate the Bayfirst Financial Corp stock listing. Make sure the listing matches the NASDAQ ticker before proceeding. Open the asset page to view basic company details and the price chart, confirming you have the correct Bayfirst Financial Corp listing. Check the listing and company summary before placing an order. To invest, click the Trade or Invest button and choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when trading resumes, and if you lack funds, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Your Bayfirst position will appear in your portfolio once executed, and you can monitor it there. For the example link and more details, see the description below.